Evening all, BonfireBradley here. Welcome to my front porch. Come on up and have a sit. Let's have a smoke and play this song right here. And this song is called Nature's Delight. Midnight on that river, the bonfire, it burns so bright. Just listen to the sounds, we're never alone. My soul, it rides on the moonlight. The song is blowing in the wind. Do you feel the magic in the air tonight? I'm searching for all of nature and all of nature's delight. The heart of the world is what keeps that beat. Do you feel it in your bones? That frequency, that rhythm, it runs so deep. Just like the bonfire, we breathe. Just breathe with me. Just breathe. Midnight on the ocean, how the stars are spread across the sea. It makes me think of your eyes, how they sparkling. The heart of our world is what keeps this beat. Do you feel it in your bones? Stomp your feet. That rhythm, it runs so deep. Just like a bonfire, we breathe. Just breathe with me. Just breathe. Thanks.